First reading, Hebrews chapter 10 verse 19 to 25. We have then, brothers, complete confidence through the blood of Jesus in entering the sanctuary, by a new way which he has opened for us, a living opening through the curtain, that is to say, his flesh, and we have the high priest over all the sanctuary of God. So as we go in, let us be sincere in heart and filled with faith, our hearts sprinkled and free from any trace of bad conscience, and our bodies washed with pure water. Let us keep firm in the hope we profess. Because the one who made the promise is trustworthy, let us be concerned for each other, to stir a response in love and good works. Do not absent yourself from your own assemblies, as some do, but encourage each other, the more so as you see the day drawing near. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 24 verse 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. Psalm of David. To Yahweh belong the earth and all it contains, the world and all who live there. It is he who laid its foundations on the seas, on the flowing waters fixed it firm. Who shall go up to the mountain of Yahweh? Who shall take a stand in his holy place, the clean of hands and pure of heart, whose heart is not set on vanities, who does not swear an oath in order to deceive? Such a one will receive blessing from Yahweh, saving justice from the God of his salvation. Such is the people that seeks him, that seeks your presence, God of Jacob. Gospel, Mark chapter 4 verse 21 to 25. He also said to them, Is a lamp brought in to be put under a tub or under the bed? Surely to be put on the lampstand, for there is nothing hidden, but it must be disclosed, nothing kept secret except to be brought to light. Anyone who has ears for listening should listen. He also said to them, Take notice of what you are hearing. The standard you use will be used for you, and you will receive more besides. Anyone who has, will be given more. Anyone who has not, will be deprived even of what he has.